Okay. First of all, though, we're gonna go in here. Carburetor has been rebuilt. All new gaskets, some new jets, new fuel line. It's long right now because I'm going to be putting a fuel pressure gauge in here. I have it, I'm just not worried about putting it on for this test. We got a fuel filter in line. Fuel pump is hooked back up, battery's hooked up and charged. I'm nervous, but we're gonna see what we see. Boys, y'all are gonna be real scared if this fires off. Okay. The first thing I'm gonna do is just see, because when I key on, fuel pump should start filling the car. And we can check for any leaks, and then I want to try to set the bowls to the same height as well. So let's just. Okay, fuel pump's on. Oh, fuel's priming, that's good. Your bowl filling. No leaks so far. Fuel filter's full, that's great. Okay, so I'm gonna try this little hot rodder trick I learned on the old interwebs. And basically we're gonna take basically the viewport on the side of the bowl of each bowl, and try to gauge where the fuel level is out, try to get both sides the same. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this off for a second. The leaks, I didn't really do fuel connections. That's great. No fuel dumping out of the car, which is already 100 times better than what I bought it, because it was just dumping fuel out of the car everywhere. Key on, so we're already 1 second in. I don't know, that looks pretty neat. I'm not even mad. It wouldn't matter if I was mad, because this is a carburetor and it doesn't have fuel. Got it. Ooh. Oh yeah, brake clean and cut. That is nice. Now I'm gonna have to probably mess with the idle adjustment screws. Oh my gosh. Alright. Fingers crossed, hon. Fingers crossed. Here goes nothing. Let's name it right now. Sally? We're going Sally. Grade Sally up. Gone in 60 seconds. Okay. Here we go, folks. Here's our choke step. Choke step. Okay. So nervous. here.
Oh, that's scary.
We'll see. Let me show you how much we saved to buy. Well, the brakes work. Holy moly.
That was scary.
Yeah, no problem. We had it by a foot. Approved by the foot.
Rocking.